everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Studio. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to add status on WhatsApp. To get started, you need to first install the WhatsApp application on a device. If you haven't yet, then you need to open the WhatsApp application. When you reach on the home screen of WhatsApp, you need to tap on Updates button. Now when you reach on Updates section, you can see the status written on the top left corner. Simply tap on My Status button. You can select any photo you would like to add status. You can also add video. When you tap on video next to the photo button, you can add the videos too. You can tap on the gallery icon on the bottom left corner and add any photos from the recent or gallery button as per your wish. Choose any photo or video you'd like to, and you can also add a caption. You can swipe up for filters. When you swipe up, here is the filters icon. You can add any filters and customize this photo by adding text, stickers. You can also crop these photos, and after you have customized this photo, you can tap on the airplane-like button on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and now you have already posted status on WhatsApp. If you want to share the Facebook story, you can also tap on share to Facebook story button, which is beneath the My Status. So if you don't want, leave as it is. Now you can check your status, either it has been added on WhatsApp or not. Tap on My Status. So here is just 0 views right now. So here is the status you had recently added on WhatsApp. So this is how you simply add status on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.